Just gotta get the angle.
Number 48.
This one?
Yep.
I call sleeping in the middle. I call sleeping in the middle.
Mommy and Daddy are sleeping. I call sleeping on this side then. Right here.
Why?
Nice.
This side is
so
Well, there's no pillows. There is no
We
pillows.
can bring you what you need.
Oh wait.
Lance Gross, American actor and model, shares some beautiful photos with the family on a trip. With the caption which reads, "Our family camping trip at the Roar and Snow experience was so fun." With the bucket
Yeah, look at
So, going into the comment section, one comes in to say, "Wow, they have grown up so fast and are so beautiful." Another one was saying, "That baby took his shoes off and said, I feel comfortable here. I love it." Another one saying, "Baby boy said, how dare you bring me outdoors to sleep with no pillow." And also coming in to say, "Looks like so much fun. You are all a beautiful family." And I'm saying beautiful family.